You cannot see nothing other than the dense mist. Oh, Adam, can you see the boss? See that? Oh. Riding hills is not always easy, as you might see, but at least it's both of us struggling today. Change of plans or scenery, but the visibility is absolutely crap. Wow. What's up? Oh, that's a fun ride. Maybe not so fun weather. Quick foodie stop before we hit the gravel. Proper mountain biking territory in Wales. We're walking. Why not? What the hell is this? Dear me. How did I plot this route? We found some nice coffee spot on our way to Llangollen. It could be actually in already. So that's how it looks. O, tu jest kanał. No, widok. Stinks. We are on Llangollen Canal. Pretty decent feature. Well, it's getting brighter, that's for sure, but it's still quite misty otherwise. That's where we're heading, towards the viaduct. Hey. Oh, Adam! And we are on aqueduct. Unfortunately, we're not supposed to cycling around it, otherwise we're breaking the rules, so just have to push. Oh, they're lovely brambles. Nice. So we are leaving Llangollen behind us now, and we still got about 16k, 10 miles to get back to car. We're sticking to tarmac today mainly, instead of chunky gravel. Oh, bloody Komoot cheating the elevation, of course. There's no way here's a whatever, yeah, 15. Watch out for horses with manure and ewes. Bah! Wee, 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 wee. I'm loving it. Oh, I wish the weather was better today, but well, what can you do? Just have to enjoy what's left. Yeah, that's the panoramic view we were meant to see today. If only the weather was slightly brighter, cleared off, but unfortunately not quite. And that's the castle. Pretty good. Jaw-dropping views. Penny, coś tam. Let's push it. Old Horseshoe Pass. New Horseshoe Pass. We'll choose old one, as we are old as well. Yeah, it's only a mile ahead of us, with average grade of 8 now. Well, up to 20 at places. 11 minutes. Yeah, right. Let's do it. Body. What a killer. How are you doing, Adam?
Easy.
Well, if you ever consider coming back in here to Llangollen, just you have to do this climb. It's obliged. I don't know the name of it, but it's absolutely grueling. 20 great. Oh, ain't it, Adam?
We got 10 at this moment, no problem.
This is the lowest version of the climb. For now. Final push. Come on, let's do it. 400 meters to go. Sorry, yeah, 46. Climb. Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno. Oh, I wish I had my 46 cassette with me. Unfortunately, I didn't swap it on time. Either way, it's gorgeous. Oh. Panderosa coffee play. Hey, cafe. We've earned this big time. Slate mine everywhere you look. Plenty of switchbacks on the way back to car at the end of our journey. Whee! Another one. Careful. Right, finally we've made it to the car. Now we're gonna pack our things and get back home. Just so you know, we've stayed in this lovely cottage farm. I'll put a link in the description below, or of where you can find the details. Anyway, it's a nice, lovely older lady. You'll know her very well.